Hey guys, welcome to this client interview today. Today I have my client here, David. So first of all, welcome, David. Why don't you just first start off by just quickly introducing yourself? Like, what do you do, your company background, and how long have you been kind of like in this business?
Yeah, I've been in the business for about 5 years. Well, a little longer, but I mostly started doing IUL about 5 years ago in indexed annuities. Mostly just do indexed annuities and IUL at this point in time.
Before working together and before kind of like joining our lead program, what are some of the ways that you're doing to get leads yourself? Now you mentioned IULs and annuities. Like, how are you getting them as a client?
Well, I bought leads. I bought leads previously, and then I tried to do some marketing on my own. I did some stuff with LinkedIn and Facebook, but I wouldn't say I was terribly successful doing it on my own. It just takes a lot of time and it's a lot of distraction. So I much prefer having someone else get me leads that are qualified than having to on a continual basis have to worry about finding where the next lead's coming from.
So, I mean, obviously, what's your experience in terms of working with me together in this program? Like, share some of your experience.
Well, I've gotten a good number of leads. I think the first week I probably had 15 or 20 leads. I have some really good quality leads. I sold one that is about a $17,000 IUL case, so that's a good one. Paid for all my startup costs in Dickie's program, so
Not
that's a good
even
case.
startup costs. You paid for like what? Like probably for a year already with that case.
Well, I don't know. He may be charging me more, but I'm not sure.
There you go. Yeah, so first 3 weeks, 10 times your investment. And we have like a week left, I believe.
Yeah, I have a
And
week, and I got some other good prospects still. So yeah, I got some. I have some prospects that have a good amount of money. So they're good prospects. It seems like I'm getting quite a few that are in the late 50s, early 60s kind of time frame, which for me is optimal.
yeah, because you could do the IULs and you could probably help them with annuities as well if that's something that they're open with. Yeah, no, so 1 week left. Let's see if you could, like 20 times the investment in your first in your first month working with
It,
us.
it could happen.
Anyways, last questions for anyone who's kind of like on the fence, who thinks, oh man, is this guy legit and all that. Like, what would you say to them?
I looked at Dickie's website, saw a lot of the testimonials that he had. Can't say that I talked to any of them, but I did talk to Dickie, and it seemed like he was a straight up guy. And what I like about him is he's very focused on doing a good job, and he's thorough, and it has a system that works. So I I'm happy with the results. So I'd recommend it. Definitely recommend it. Take the jump.
Yeah, no, no, man. Any last thoughts?
Any last thoughts? Just keep those good leads coming.
Let's pay for a lead program like for 2 years just in a month. All right.
All right. Sounds good.